Hello, I'm Jignesh Trivedi, an engineer who is part of the technical engineering team at DATA-LINC Group. DATA-LINC has been a partner of Rockwell Automation, providing Rockwell's partners and customers with reliable data transfer solutions in challenging industrial environments through integrated communication. At DATA-LINC Group, we offer a range of license-free, long and short-range industrial wireless communication solutions designed to meet critical communication requirements in industrial systems. One of our most notable products is the SRM8200, an industrial-grade wireless modem that simultaneously supports Ethernet and serial communication protocols. This solution works seamlessly with Rockwell Automation's control architecture to address the communication needs of industrial systems. With ultimate flexibility in mind, the SRM8200 is a great solution to implement migrations at the pace of your roadmap and your budget. With several modem manufacturers discontinuing products, you can count on DATA-LINC to provide a viable wireless solution that meets the technical and budget needs, supporting the transition from older Allen Bradley PLCs to the most recent by employing our dual protocol modems. Our partnership with Rockwell Automation extends its support to various industries including water wastewater, mining, cement, and oil and gas.